Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish idiom. Maybe you know this idiom, but it's new on this channel. So let's get started. This idiom is a little bit tricky, but it is a very good one. I really like it. It's about being human. Okay, but before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. And it will be great if you take a look at the memberships on this channel. That supports this channel greatly. Okay, so let's get started. The Spanish idiom of the day is ser de carne y hueso. Ser de carne y hueso. Do you know the meaning of this? Ser de carne y hueso literally means ser means to be. Okay? This is the verb to be. Ser means to be in Spanish. De means of, to be of. Carne means meat, but it also means flesh. Flesh, like, you know, or body. Okay, so far we know that this means to be of flesh. Y, this letter here, means and. Okay? And hueso means bone. Hueso means bone, like flesh and bone, you know? So this literally means to be of flesh and bone. Ugh, okay. This is kind of weird. This idiom means to be only human, or in some situations, it could mean to be real, to be someone real. So this idiom can be used to say that you're only human, that you can't do anything crazy like, you know, miracles or something like that. And also that you are real or someone is real. Sometimes you can't believe that someone is real because that person is too perfect, too beautiful, too handsome. Okay, so this idiom is all about being human. Okay, so that was pretty clear. We know that literally it doesn't make that much sense, but that's why it's an idiom. And it means to be only human or to be real. Okay, now let's see a few examples using this idiom. So the first example is: El actor es tan guapo, no creí que fuera de carne y hueso. El actor es tan guapo, no creí que fuera de carne y hueso. This means the actor is so handsome, I didn't believe he was real. In this situation, an actor is really handsome and this person doesn't believe that that actor was real because he's too perfect. Okay, so we can see that fuera de carne y hueso is used at the end of the sentence. And it's similar to saying he was real or was real. In order to use this idiom, you need to know the conjugation of the Spanish verb ser. Okay? Ser, which means to be. You need to know the conjugation of this Spanish verb. And this is an irregular Spanish verb, so it's a little bit tricky, but it's a basic Spanish verb that you must master. If you really want to start speaking Spanish, you need to know how to conjugate this verb for sure. Okay, now let's move on. Another example is: Soy de carne y hueso, como cualquier otra persona. Soy de carne y hueso, como cualquier otra persona. This means I am only human, like anyone else. Soy de carne y hueso means I am only human. So this phrase can be also placed at the beginning of the sentence. Soy de carne y hueso. I'm only human. Okay? So that's very easy. Let's see another example. Miguel no hace milagros. Es de carne y hueso. Miguel no hace milagros. Es de carne y hueso. This means Miguel doesn't work miracles. He is only human. Okay, so once again, this phrase is at the end of the sentence. And we're talking about Miguel. He is only human. He can't work miracles. In this situation, maybe Miguel has a lot of work, but he can't work miracles. He needs time to finish the work, right? So we can say, Miguel no hace milagros. Es de carne y hueso. Miguel doesn't work miracles. He is only human. Okay, so as we can see, ser de carne y hueso means to be only human or to be real. It can be in a situation where you just want to say, I'm only human, come on. I'm flesh and bones. Or you can say, oh, I'm perfect, but soy de carne y hueso. I'm only human. Right? Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave in the comment section down below if you have any questions about this idiom. Also, you can leave more examples using this phrase. I think that will be great. Please do so. And remember that you can get a membership on this channel and get different perks when getting a membership. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smelessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!